Hey guys, welcome back once again. As you can see a program on your screen, you have to find output of this program. So start guessing. Your timer start now. Okay guys, time up. So let me explain this program to you. So I have one variable a with initialized with value 2 and another one variable b which is initialized with 0. So here once again I am using here ternary operator, right? So inside the ternary there is another one ternary. You can see if this condition is false, so this line of code will execute, and based on this we are going to perform some other operation, right? So we can say here nested ternary operator we are having, and finally we are going to deal with the value of y. We are going to print the value of y. So let me execute this program. As you can see here, the value of y is 2. Okay, so let's find it out how we are getting 2. So what we are writing here, first we are checking that b is equal to 0. So value of b, so b equal to 0, right? So this condition is true. That means it is going to execute this part, right? It's not going to execute this part. This is whole part. So it will execute this part. So here 2, right? So it's gonna to return 2, and these 2 will store into the y, right? So here this a value will store into the y, so that's why we are getting 2 while the printing. Okay, it's not gonna to care about the remaining else part. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.